Math Simplified for 10th Standard, Algebra, Linear Equations in 3 Variables, Exercise 3.1, Question 3. Please subscribe and share with your friends also. This is a problem sum. First of all, we have to write down the equations with the help of these statements. Okay, let us now read the sum. Vani, her father and her grandfather have an average age of 53. One half of her grandfather's age plus 1/3 of her father's age plus 1/4 of Vani's age is 65. 4 years ago, if Vani's grandfather was 4 times as old as Vani, then how old are they all now? So here we have to find the age of Vani, her father and her grandfather. So let the age be, the present age be of Vani be X, her father's age be Y and grandfather's age be Z. So we have to find the values of X, Y and Z. These are variables. So we will need 3 equations with these variables. Let us first write down the first equation. Vani, her father and her grandfather have an average age of 53. So the average of these 3 ages is 53. So let's write down X plus Y plus Z divide by 3 is equal to 53. So if you take 3 on the right hand side, you will get X plus Y plus Z is equal to 159. This is the first equation. Okay. 1/2 of her grandfather's age plus 1. So what is 1/2 of her grandfather's age? Z upon 2 plus 1/3 her father's age. Y upon 3 plus 1/4 of Vani's age. That is X upon 4 is equal to 65. So here it is X upon 4 plus Y upon 3 plus Z upon 2 is equal to 65. Now these 3 are fractions. So find the LCM and simplify. You will get 3x plus 4y plus 6z is equal to 780. So this is the second equation. Okay. Now let's go to the third. 4 years ago, Vani's grandfather was 4 times as old as Vani. Then, how old are they now? So 4 years ago, what was grandfather's age? Z minus 4. What would have been Vani's age 4 years ago? X minus 4. Okay, Z minus 4, X minus 4. 4 years ago, Vani's grandfather was 4 times. So his age was equal to 4 into Vani's age. So Z minus 4 is equal to 4 times 4 multiplied by X minus 4. Open the bracket and simplify, you will get this equation. So these are the 3 equations. We have to solve these 3 equations and get the values of X, Y and Z. We are going to use elimination. So here, let us take the first equation and the second equation. I am going to eliminate Y. For that, I am going to multiply the first equation with 4. So here it is. I have multiplied it. Write it down. Beneath it, write down this equation. We are going to eliminate Y here. So here the sign has to change. Plus has to become minus. So I will change all the signs. This will become minus. Plus will become minus. Here also minus. So when you subtract this, it becomes X. 4x minus 3x is X. This will become 0. 4z minus 6z is minus 2z is equal to 636 minus 780 is minus 144. So this is the equation I get. Now you can see it has got only 2 variables. This third equation also has the same 2 variables, X and Z. So now it has become very easy. We can these 2 are equations with 2 variables X and Z. Again we'll do the elimination only. So I'll write this as it is. Okay, and I'm going to eliminate Z. So here 2z is there, here only a single z. So I'm going to multiply this by 2. So you get 8x minus 2z is equal to 24. So write it down like this. Now you can add it. Okay, here you can see this is minus 2z, here also minus 2z. So I'm going to change the sign here. If I change here, I should change all over. Here it is positive, it will become negative. Negative will become positive. This is positive, it will become negative. Okay, so what is x minus 8x? Minus 7x. Minus 2z plus 2z becomes 0. Minus 144 minus 24 is minus 168. Okay, now simplify. Minus minus plus, x is equal to 168 upon 7 is equal to 24. So what is Vani's age? 24 years. X is equal to 24. Now let's take the third equation. Substitute the value of x. You will get the value of z. Z is grandfather's age. You solve it, you find z is equal to 84. Okay, now you know Vani's age, you know grandfather's age. Okay, now we have to find out the father's age, that is value of y. Take the first equation, substitute x and z, simplify, you get father's age y is equal to 51. So this is the answer.